guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you a brilliant recipe for breakfast. It will be shakshuka. This dish might be made with everything what you have leftovers in your fridge, based on eggs, tomatoes, onions and peppers, and all the other ingredients you can add to your flavor. So there's no strict recipe because you can go crazy with whatever stuffs you love to eat. So hopefully you're gonna enjoy that recipe same as me, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes. So I'm not talking anymore, we're going back to the cooking. Let's go. So I'm starting with heated up the pan with the medium and high heat with a little bit of oil. I'm adding the sausage, and I will highly recommend you the chorizo sausage. It's really good. So if you're gonna use the chorizo, you don't have to use any other oils with it. Leave it until it will get nice and gold color, and add 1 onion and 1 clove of garlic. Stir everything for 1 minute and add the peppers and mushrooms. Now it's time for passata. If you don't have passata, you can use regular tomatoes, or tomatoes in the cans work really well with this recipe. And the spices: a little bit of cumin, chilli, thyme, oregano, white pepper, and basil. Last but not least, a pinch of salt. Stir everything to combine the ingredients and leave the small hole in the middle to add the egg. Cover for a few minutes until the egg will get the perfect consistency. And we are nearly there. I'm adding now the corn from the can, little bit of rucola. Here you can add your favorite cheese. I'm using the mozzarella, but feta cheese, it works really good. Blue cheese or goat cheese. I'm adding the bunch of chili, and it's ready to eat. Hi guys, so finally I have my recipe done. I'm so excited and I can't wait to try, because I know it's gonna be really delicious and full of flavor. So this recipe is perfect when you want to surprise your family and friends, when they stay for a sleepover, when you're after the party. It's really nice filling breakfast, and you can put whatever you want. If you want to have egg more runny, then you have to leave it for a little bit shorter. If you want to have, you know, like hard-boiled egg, you have to leave it for a few minutes longer. I like soft when it's making it just makes me feel happy, so happy when I'm eating such a delicious stuff. So I'm gonna do the taste test, and I'm gonna let you know, because I can't wait actually. So I'm so excited to try. I know it's gonna be bomb. It is amazing. I'm so excited and I can't wait for you to try. Let me know if you like it in the comments down below, and see you in the next videos. Bye.